Looking back at the state of capture or the State Capture Commission, which was headed by the then Deputy Chief Justice, who later became the Chief Justice of the Constitutional Court. If we look at that commission and why it was formed, some say it was formed to expose state capture. But others say the real state capture that was supposed to be exposed was ignored, and certain people were targeted and painted with a brush that was branded state capture. Firstly, if we look at the formation of the commission in itself, only a child would dispute the fact that the commission was set to deal with one person and one person only. And I do not need to mention that name of that person for anyone to understand. So, if we look at the commission had a lot of evidence, which was spoken evidence. And if we firstly look at the evidence that was presented with regards to the Estina Dairy Farm, which was said to be another Gupta project, that Estina Dairy Farm case ended up falling, and the NPA proved itself to be useless. And then we go to the SSA, Secret Service, where they told us that Arthur Fraser and friends looted over 80 billion. But recently it has been shown that the amount was heavily exaggerated, and actually it is no more than 8 million rands. And we also look at the Trillium Saga, the company which was said to be receiving tenders and working with the Guptas. If we look at the accused, which include Brian Molefe, that case was recently thrown out as well. And then we also look at Ronald Lamula, who was busy telling us that they were going to fetch the Guptas in Dubai. But the news are not telling us that the law in Dubai refused to do that, and they said there is no evidence and there is nothing that they can allow the Guptas to be extradited for. 2 billion rands later, state capture exists even worse now. But no one is marching, no one is making noise. Strange.